Welcome to my channel. Have a nice and energetic day. Today, I will guide you through a method of propagating roses from cuttings, using organic ingredients familiar to anyone. First, we will prepare the coffee solution. You just need to take 1 spoon of coffee powder and put it in a clean glass jar. Then, pour in about 0.5 liters of boiling water. Cover the lid tightly and let the solution cool naturally for about 1 hour. Next, choose a healthy rose branch with the flower color you like. Cut the branch to keep only about 15 to 20 centimeters long. Remove all the leaves to concentrate nutrients for root growth. Now, prepare about 10 grams of fresh ginger. Wash and chop it. Ginger contains natural antibacterial compounds and growth-stimulating enzymes, helping to disinfect cuts, limit mold and promote fast, healthy root growth. Put the cut ginger in a clean plastic cup. Pour in 0.5 liters of clean water, then stir well. Then, soak the rose branch in the ginger solution for about 30 minutes. This is an extremely important step in sterilization and pre-stimulation of root growth. At this point, the coffee solution has cooled. Stir well and filter the grounds through a thin cloth to collect the clear liquid. The coffee solution helps stabilize the pH of the surrounding environment, creating favorable conditions for root tissue to develop. It also enhances the activity of beneficial microorganisms in the substrate environment, helping the cuttings not to be infected with fungus, root rot. At this point, the coffee solution has cooled. Mix the ginger solution with the coffee solution just obtained. Next is to make the substrate for cuttings. For simplicity, I choose to use toilet paper as a substrate. Tear the toilet paper into small pieces, put it in a clean plastic cup. Pour the coffee ginger solution slowly so that the paper is evenly absorbed but not soggy. Take the end of the rose branch, wrap it with a layer of paper and soak it with the coffee ginger solution. As for the plastic cup, squeeze gently to remove excess water, keeping only the necessary moisture for the paper. Make a small hole in the middle of the cup, then place the rose branch in it so that the paper-wrapped part is neatly inside. Finally, use a plastic bag or a transparent plastic cup to cover the mouth of the cup, creating a mini greenhouse. Helping to keep moisture and temperature stable, ideal conditions for young roots to grow. Place the cup in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. Results after 5 days. Amazing! After only about 5 days, you will see the rose branch start to sprout new buds. And the base will have many healthy white roots. Coffee contains caffeine and many microminerals that can stimulate root cells to divide and grow strongly. Fresh ginger helps fight bacteria, fungi and stimulates root growth thanks to the compound gingerol. When combined, they create a solution that increases the survival of cuttings. While helping roots grow quickly, healthily and effectively prevent root rot. At this point, you can gently transfer the branch to a pot with a suitable substrate such as clean river sand. So that the plant can continue to grow and flower later.